If you need to find a cofactor of a 2 by 2 matrix, this is the shortcut way. Now I will show you how to do the actual way to find cofactor of any matrix. Let's take first element. First of all, we need to find a minor of this first element. Minor of this first element. To find minor of this element, 1, 2, 3, 4, if we take like this first element is located at first row and first column. Now you can see this is the minor of this first element. Element is located at first row and first column. Minor of this first row and first column is 4. That means minor of this first element is 4. Now to find this cofactor of this element, we need to multiply it with this element, and this first element is located at 1 location. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 1 times 1 is 1. It is plus 1. The cofactor of the first element is 4. Now let's take the second element. Let's try to find minor of this second element. 1, 2, 3, 4. This second element is located at first row and first column. This is the minor. Minor 1, 2. Minor 1, 2 means 1, 2. That means this element. Minor of the second element is 3. Now let's find cofactor of this second element. Minus 1 times is located at 1, 2, and then multiply with 3. Now you can see 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 means minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1. 1, 1, 1 is 1. Minus times minus plus, and plus times minus will be again minus. That's why the output is this part is minus 1 and times 3, minus times 3 minus 3. Find the cofactor of this third element. To find cofactor of this third element, we need to find minus of this third element. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This third element is located at second row and first column. The minor of this third element is 2. Let's find the cofactor. Minus 1, 2, 1, 2 plus 1 times 2. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 means it is an odd number. If it is odd number, we will get minus 1 times 2 minus 2. And then find the fourth element cofactor. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is located at second row and second column. This is the minor of this fourth element. Minor 2, 2. Minor 2, 2 is 1. And the cofactor minus 1. Minus 1, 2 plus 2 times 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. It is a even number. If it is even number, we will get a positive value. And then times 1. The output is 1. Now you can see this is the first element cofactor. 4. This is the second element cofactor. Minus 3. This is the third element cofactor. Minus 3. Minus 2. Minus 2. This is the fourth element cofactor. Now you can see this is the output what we are getting by using this short method. Now if it is a 2 by 2 matrix, you can use short method to find cofactor without doing this whole thing. If it is a 3 by 3 matrix, you need to find all those things, and finally you will get this value.